Trader X here with Day Trading the Chart. It is Friday, July 5th, 2019. And from Wednesday's trading, I had to hold this overnight. And of course, Thursday there was no trading because that was holiday in the USA, July 4th. And so today is Friday, July 5th. Market's about to open here. Got about 12 minutes to go before the market opens, and the stock is gapping down. Now, see, the reason why it's doing this is because what I took, the entry, is a big trade strategy, which meant that it was going to go down a certain amount. I said it would break below this low. It has broken below the low. It's actually gone down further, down to about, I think, about 35 or 30 maybe. Let's see, where does it say the low at? Actually, don't have it right now, access to it. Oh, there's I do, okay. Yeah, so anyway, it's gone way down. We'll see what it opens up as. Sometimes a stock will gap down and move down lower. Sometimes a stock will gap down and move higher. That I can't really say what it's going to do after it opens, because it's a new day. But it's already made it to where it should have made it, to about 30 or lower. It could make it much lower. It could actually go down today and come down quite a bit. But I won't know that until I can get a chance to use my system on it, which I can't do until it opens. So I'm just waiting for the open. I may exit right away. I'm already ahead 2,200 since it closed on Wednesday. And I'm already ahead today because it's gapped down. Or it is gapping down, hasn't opened up yet. If I wanted to, I could get rid of it through an ECN. But of course, when you play like I do with these big trades, for instance, you don't need to bother with that. You just play the system. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait till it opens. We'll see what it does. We do have some other possibilities today, of course. GRFS, it's up 72, gapped up. KPTI, this is a good one here. Go take a look at it. Okay, this is KPTI right here, and it is shortable through Interactive Brokers. Let's see, 236,000 shares are available to short. Yeah, I may try to play this stock here. Okay, market about to open up here. 6 seconds. Let's see what it's going to do. Don't have a signal yet. It might come down, it might go up. We'll see. Okay, let me take a look at something. I'll be right back. I'm going to be ready to get out of this trade here. I'll be right back. KPTI really shot up there. Wow. Okay, that's going to be a good one to go with too. Okay, I've got a short signal on AMRN. But there's a prerequisite to that. Okay, it's going to go the other way. I'll be right back. Okay, getting out here. Okay, I'm all the way out. All right, didn't do good on that one. 1,400 for today is what I've made on this stock. Okay, what I'm going to do is look for an entry. Also, we need to switch over to KPTI. Yeah, that thing's really moving. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, well, it's not moving that much yet, but you can see there it's moving up and down in the tight range. AMRN taking off. Be right back. Okay, I'm watching it here for an entry. I do already have a signal to go long right now, but I'm just going to wait here. I want to see something. I'm going to wait a little bit. If I get another signal to go long, I'll take it. Okay, this realized profit is from Wednesday, and actually I'm down $3 today. So yeah, I'm down $3 right now from this trade. Okay, so I am looking to get in again. Be right back. Okay, getting into KPTI here. 10,000 shares. Okay, I've got 10,000 shares short on KPTI. This thing must have a lot of volume. I got those shares pretty quick. Okay, I have AMRN long here, 3,000 shares. this stock is incredible. It's just going to continue to take off like this for a bit. It's a real runner. It is a real runner. This is a really, but I'm going to be looking here for a reversal. I've got a strong entry to go long, but I don't have a big trade entry yet. Still looking for one to see if this thing is going to continue to go up big or if it'll come back down. I'll come back. Okay, KPTI dropping down, just drop back up right there. But it is beginning to move down here. AMRN is a freight train. Let's go back and look at it again. And just look at this stock. It's incredible. See, but just keep something in mind now, okay? This isn't going to last. It's just what you're seeing now. It could last for another day or a week, even 2 weeks. Or even longer sometimes. But as a general rule, it's not going to last. And so you just want to make money from it while it's hot. That's it. Or if you want to invest, absolutely, you could use my big trade system, take a long entry, hold it, get out ahead on it, place a break-even stop on it, and then let it go. If it keeps going higher and never comes back to your break-even stop, well, then you're invested in it at that price, and you can just hold it for as long as you want. This is AMRN. It's coming back down here a little bit. Just going to hang on to it here. My system, as it goes forward, will tell me constantly whether it's going to continue to go up or whether it will go down. KPTI giving me a little heat here. Let's see, what am I down on it? I'm down on it pretty good here, 1600 on KPTI. Bouncing around a bit, but it should continue to come down here. Just got to give it the time. Okay, KPTI dropping down good, up 900 on it now. Actually jumping around pretty bit. Okay, now up 1,000 on it, back down to 600. It's jumping around a lot, but anyway, it's coming down, and this stock here, AMRN, going up. Opposite directions of each other. Actually coming down now, but yeah, let me take a look at it. We could get a rollover here. I'll be right back. KPTI now number 2 on the scanner here, right there. I've got it short, and I've got this one here, AMRN long. Still watching it here. KPTI now in the number 1 spot. Okay, AMRN continuing to move higher here. Now ahead 18.99 on it for the day. Got to remember this was from Wednesday. So from holding it overnight, and for today though I'm at 1800 right now. And just waiting for it to give me another signal, whether it might roll over and come down, or it'll continue to go higher. But my system will tell me which way it will go. KPTI still moving down a little bit. I needed to break below these bottoms down here. This one right here in particular. Once it breaks below that, it should continue to keep going. I am still also waiting for another signal on this stock. I might get a long signal, and if I do, of course we'll go long on it instead of short. But right now, still have a short signal, waiting for it to come down. Here it comes right now. Okay, I'm at 3,000 in it right now. Okay, I'm going to hold it here for a little bit. It's got a gap right there. Let's see what this thing wants to do. Give it a little bit more. If I get it down to about 50 or so, happily take it. Let me just take a look at something really quick. Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'm looking to exit this one because I'm ahead pretty good, but I'd like to see it come down again first. If it goes back the other way, I'm going to look for a long signal. If it goes long, then I'll take it long. Getting out of AMRN here. Okay, I'm all the way out of AMRN. Got 2,900 on it. I am only 14.79 ahead on that one today. Still looking at KPTI. Still looking at getting another entry on this one too. KPTI moving down, but I'd like to see it go down a little bit lower. About 950 would be really good. And I would jump out right there. Still looking though at my system. Might give a long signal. Still watching it. Okay, it's moving down a bit here. Just looking for a little bit more. Up 4,100 on it. 45. Almost there. Just looking to get to about 50 or so, but I'm taking a look here. Actually, it should continue to come down. I don't have any entries to go long at all. Nothing. So it should continue to come down here for a bit. But I have got my finger on the trigger. I'm ready to get out. Just looking to see what it's going to do here. Okay, taking another move down. I got 5,600 into it now. AMRN moving back up on me. I need to get over there. I'd like to get out of this trade first. Come on, AMRN, wait for me. That stock is a real crazy stock. I knew I shouldn't have gotten out of that thing. It's a freight train, just keeps going up. Okay, down to 40. Okay, here we go, moving down a bit. About ready to pull the trigger here. At 6,000. Alright, I'm going to do it right here. Okay, I'm all the way out. So this stock's got a good liquidity. 5,200 on this trade, KPTI. See how effective shorting is? And all you gotta do is use my system on it, and there's a successful trade. Alright, let's go over to AMRN. Alright, you see this thing? Keep moving back up again. Alright, I am looking for an entry on it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use a big trade entry into this stock, and it's going to be right for a good amount of ticks, like 100 ticks. Okay? So I'll come back as soon as I've taken that entry. Okay, just want to give you a quick update here. I am still just waiting for AMRN to give me some sort of a signal, whether it's going to go down or whether it's going to continue to go up. I still don't have an entry using my system yet, but I'm sure one will come. Today is Friday though, so as time goes forward it could get less and less active, so you have to be careful of that. KPTI, I really should have held this one down. I got out somewhere up here, and boy, I could have really wrote it down. Filled the gap. Nice. Really nice play today on KPTI. But anyway, I got 5,200 from it, so I'm not complaining, but definitely had opportunity to get more. It's Friday and coming up on lunchtime soon, and so I don't know how active it's going to be here, but I'm still looking to get an entry on something. But I may just stop trading because it's Friday, and unless I get something good. Anyway, but I'm still looking. This is the YM right here. It's moving pretty good. I am looking for an entry on the YM here. This is going to be for a big trade. Except for I don't know how big it will be here on Friday though. May not be so big on Friday, but it is moving well, so no reason not to play it. Okay, I've got a market master entry to go short here. I've taken it short at 26,885. Right here where the red line is, that's where I'm short. This is a market master entry to go short here, and this is going to be for a big trade. I'll come back. Boy, I really missed out on AMRN. It really went down good today. All the way down to 22.98 right now. Boy, that was a big ride down. Very, very, very big ride down. Let's see, KPTI, that also was another one I should have held. Could have made a lot of money on that one today. Okay, this thing is a possibility it's going to give me an opposite direction here. If it does, I'll take it long. Otherwise, it'll come down. So that's one thing using my system. I will show you such a simple, basic technique that you'll be able to know whether you should be going short or going long, and know if the system is saying that. So it really helps to just be able to follow a certain system rather than do what you think it's going to do. Because if you could follow what you think it's going to do and win, you wouldn't need a system. Okay, I am now long on the YM here. Took a loss there, 1,400. and now I'm long. It's going to go up now. And it's been tricky though, a little bit tricky there. But I should be able to catch it here for a good sized trade now. I'll come back. The YM's really been moving, and it looks like it's going to do an end of day run here and really move up. Let's zoom out a little bit, see what it looks like. Yeah, okay, so you can see that it gapped down, it moved down nice, it's come off the bottom, and it's just been going up ever since then. So what I suspect is it's going to go up and fill the gap down. So it's going to come all the way up to here, possibly even higher. But even up to there is a really super good profit from here. So it looks very good for an end of day run here. The YM here is really, moving up and down along my position line here, but it's going to go up. It's going to go up because I have a big trade entry that says it's going to go up. So watch the power of big trade. Now, how far it's going to go up because it's Friday, I really don't know. Time is it? It's 1 o'clock. So only 3 hours left in the market. So I really don't know how much it'll move up, but it will move up. YM moving up, almost break even on it, down $61. Looking for it to keep on going and do a market run here and turn it into a profitable trade here. I'll be back. Okay, the YM is starting to run here, and it is 136 right now. So got a ways to go. I'm sorry. It's 236. It's 236 right now. Got less than an hour and a half to go before the market closes. And this thing is starting to run, as my system had said that it would do. I'm looking for a little bit more here. Currently, I'm up in the position 800. So somewhere around 3,000 or so should be good. So far today, I have scored good on KPTI, AMRN, and now in the YM, which is the DOW. And see the price, 26,930. That's the price of the Dow that you see like on CNBC. It's the main market that everybody pays attention to. And this is it. Now I'm trading it. But the ES, as long as the ES is moving, which it is, you can trade that for even cheaper and make more money on it too. Well, actually it comes out to be similar, because the YM ticks by 5 ticks per contract, while the ES ticks by 12.5 per contract, $12.5. So it's different, but it comes out to be similar though. But a lot of people prefer the ES. I trade them both. Whichever one looks the most active to me is the one I'll go with. But the ES also is very active. And in fact, the ES chart is a little bit better than the YM even. Yeah, I could have taken the ES. But anyway, YM's good enough too. Doesn't matter what you trade as long as you get the direction right. And of course, that's what my system is all about. Being able to get the direction right with incredible accuracy. Okay, I've got 1,500 in the YM right now. I'm looking for it to just move just a little bit higher, one more time, and then I'll get out. Somewhere around 2,000 to 3,000, something like that, to end the day. Day's getting close to being over, another hour to go. Personally, I am looking forward to the weekend. You can see what I mean now, though, about my system having incredible accuracy. I'm able to take trades and get them right over and over again. When I get them wrong, I get out, and a lot of the times, I'll be able to make the money right back. Not all the time, but a lot of the times you'll see me do that. Like I did it on AMRN. I lost like $17.50 on that one, and then came back and did $2,096. So, I was able to come back strong on it because my system is super accurate. Okay, I just got out of the YM, took 1,200, 1,227, and I'm out. There's a possibility it's going to roll over here and come all the way down, but it's Friday and it's not likely to move a whole lot in the next hour, so it's not really worth playing anymore. I was hoping for a nice big ride up and get out up there, but it doesn't look to be doing it. It looks to be rolling over. Have a market master to go short. I'm not interested in taking it because I don't really feel I can make a whole lot from it. But I could make something from it if I wanted to. But I don't want to wait. So I'm all done trading for today. Did really well on the KPTI. Did okay here on the YM. Not as good as I was hoping for, but I lost the first trade. Had to come back to make some money on the second trade. So you've seen me do that now with AMRN and the YM. And then also AMRN also hit that one too. So you see, even though you see me lose here and there, you see me come out way ahead. Even on the ones that I lost on. And there's a reason for that. It's because my system really is so accurate. Okay, so it's the weekend. I'm all done trading and I'm done for the week. See, look, there it goes. I had a Market Master short, but I don't want to bother with it. But anyway, I'm all done for this week. This weekend I'm going to catch up. I've got to upload Wednesday's trade and of course today's trade, Friday's trade. So I've got to get that uploaded to YouTube. And anyway, I'll use this weekend to catch up. Got a little bit behind there. Anyway, I hope all of you traders are doing well in your trading. And if not, you can see my system is working really super well. So if you're not doing as well as me, I highly suggest you get my video courses, my online trading video courses. Market Master, Big Trade, and Easy Entry. Any one of them will be super good. But all three of them, you be unstoppable. Be able to do anything you want in the market on any instrument you want. Even Market Master, you can do that. You just have to work harder, that's all. But it's still really good. For instance, I got a Market Master entry to go short right up there. Could have went short. You're writing it down right now. My courses will open up your eyes to a whole nother reality you never knew existed within the trading world, and show you how easy it is to play the chart, to trade the chart, to day trade the chart. Okay, I'm going to get going. Have a great weekend, everyone. And as always, to your trading success, from Trader X at Day Trading the Chart.